Technology is changing the world faster than ever, day in, day out. AI and digital tools are creating opportunities to earn, grow, and build businesses like never before. Welcome to Max AI Hub. Here on this channel, you will learn how to use AI tools, tech innovations, and other online strategies to make passive income on this digital space. Whether you are a student, an entrepreneur, or someone curious about the future of work, then this channel is here to help you earn more, unlock digital opportunities, and master the art of artificial intelligence. So if you are ready to explore AI, technology, and other digital ways to earn online, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the Max AI Tech Farm